We got every single brush you can think of, made by EcoTools, and they look like they're all curly friendly. Curl activating detangler. Excuse me? Shine activating detangler? I might be using those back to back because I want a curl activator and I want shine. Give me both, okay? Travel detangler, amazing. Oh, there's so much more. Mini detangler for your little bangsy bangs. Smoothing detangler. It's also heat resistant. Nice. Slick back brush. And I thought it was a toothbrush, but it's not. Edge refining brush. So this is the edging brush and this is the slick back brush. All the slick back baddies. If you feel like blow drying your hair, get a blowout every once in a while, they got you too. So for today, I'm going to use the Shine Activator Detangler to detangle my hair, and I'm going to use this to style it with the gel that Garnier got me. Let's go. I was able to detangle my hair with it, so that was a little harder. I love my detangler brush because it's very flexible, so it won't tug on my hair or break it. It would just glide through it. Always detangle it with a very flexible brush like this. It's my favorite brush in the world. Some more of these, which is fine. I brush my hair once a week, and we lose about 100 hair per day. So if you don't get the hair out every day, then you're gonna end up with 700 hairs coming out of your hair at the end. So don't worry, it's all good. This looks promising because it has what you need. It's made out of wood. It has the stiff back and the very flexible, whatever these are called. When I use the brush, I needed to just glide through. Oh. Maybe I should compare this brush with my regular Denman brush. Is it the brush or is it the gel? We need to find out. Technique is more important than the tools you have. You can do this with a regular brush. As long as you're following the right technique, you will have similar results. You can't go and buy a $25 brush, for example, because things can be really expensive. Start with your own brush. It's fine. You can start with the regular brush, do the same technique. So apply your leave-in conditioner, apply your gel, as long as your hair is detangled and your hair is soaking wet. Grab your brush, put it in, and then you're smoothing your hair in the back of the brush. That's what's gonna clump your curls together. So you can do this with any brush. Figuring out the right products that your hair needs, because every hair is different. Your results are gonna be similar. You go somewhere and you don't have your Denman brush, don't panic. You can literally use a wet brush, which are like $3. I give this brush a 5 out of 10. Here's why. The wood becomes very slippery, so it's hard to hold when your hands are full of products. Maybe the bristles are not hard enough because you want your bristles to be kind of hard. You don't want them to be too flexible because it won't smooth in through your hair like you want it to. Of course, my Denman brush is always going to have the first spot of 10 out of 10. And I've tried every brush on this planet. And maybe because the handle is round. This handle is flat, so it makes it easier because it doesn't have anything to make it a better grip. But it's easier to hold. See? This is easier. Now we're done. See some frizzies up here, so I'm just going to add some more gel and smooth it in. My hair feels very light. You have to hear it doing this. See that noise? That means you applied enough products and water. All right, we got it. I just wish you could touch it because it feels so soft. They're like the definition of pillowy curls. If you want to learn about my technique of how I get my curls to look this way, I did a whole video about it before. Check it out. Please let me know in the comments what you think. See you next time.